Hey, good afternoon. Do you think I can put an order in for a 1973 FJ55 Iron Pig?
Sure.
And, if you could do it on white toast with some mayonnaise and maybe a pickle, that'd be awesome.
Sure, no problem, sir.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? There's another one coming home with me. I'm real excited about this one. If the title of this video does not give it away what I'm about to do, I don't know what does. That is correct, I'm going to get another pig. I'm slowly falling in love with these trucks after I just picked up my last 1976 FJ55. The same gentleman that sold me his last one has brought another one to the market, and I'm really excited about this one. Why am I excited about this one? That's because it's from Portland, Oregon, and it's not from Virginia and has not inherited all the rust we get out here. So I'm really excited to go just check out this full body. It's fairly complete, really just like surface rust. The interior is it's okay, but it's there. It's running a 1F motor instead of the 2F. The motor does not run, but it does turn over, and that's super important. It's running stock axles with the old drum brakes as well as a 3-speed transmission. So I don't really know much other than that, but I'm really excited to go take you along with me to go check out this thing. So let's get in the old Land Cruiser and go check it out. Cue the music, cue the Land Cruiser ad. The montage.
$10,000, huh?
Oh yeah, it's a steal. This is the car that started it all. If you can find this particular model with these low miles for less money, buy it.
Well, if that driveway looks familiar, it is. Feels like deja vu here. Drove out to Baltimore to look at this 1973 FJ55 Iron Pig. My buddy Glenn has another one that has come up for sale, and I just couldn't resist it. I'm falling in love with them. So we're about to go down that long driveway and hopefully see another one on a trailer. Let's go. And there she is. Oh, smokes, there she is. Nice. Look at these rockers. They're solid as it can be. This truck is super solid. Doesn't have too much rust. It does look like it does, but it does not for a pig. A lot of the things are really solid. The rockers are really solid on this. Even the rear quarter panels are really solid on this, as you can see. Fortunately, the interior is kind of roached, but what are you gonna do? A lot of those parts you can still buy, but the body and the frame is what I get really excited about and make sure that they're really solid. So as you can see, it is solid. It's awesome. It's got the wing windows, which I really like. That's cool. Probably want to put those in the blue one. It's got a 1F. It does turn over, but that's about it. I mean, I guess I could get it running if I put a carburetor on it. We'll see. So you can see that the tailgate is mashed in. It did go ahead and come with a new one that's back here. So we're gonna be able to put that in, gut this guy, make sure it's all back together. No headliner, as you can see. We're gonna have to figure out something for that. It does have a front fender there that's gonna go on the passenger side. As you can see, it is missing. No cargo panels here, etc. Well, we made a deal. I'm taking another one of these home, folks. I don't know what we're gonna do with this one. I think she's gonna be for sale though. I might take some stuff off that I need for my truck, but depending on what you guys need, comment below and we'll figure it out. Wow. Well, just sitting down to a bowl of chili. It's been a long day of tons of Land Cruiser stuff. Just got done watching the newest Mize adventure, and I'll tell you what, I'm gonna subscribe, like, and share that video. It was pretty good. And I suggest, if you like that type of stuff too, you do the same. Because if you do, it really motivates me to keep on making content and picking up trucks like this. So cheers, I'll see you in the video. I gotta enjoy this chili.